Avocado and cucumber face mask. This mask is very helpful if you have got sunburn, or suffer from dry itchy skin. The soothing and cooling properties of cucumber and avocado will quickly bring relief to dry, itchy, and sensitive skin. Cucumber hydrates and refreshes tired skin, and avocado helps it retain its moisture by leaving a thin protective layer on it. How to make an avocado cucumber face mask. Take a ripe, or better overripe, avocado, halve it, and scoop out 1 teaspoon of its flesh. Cut off and peel 1/4 of a small cucumber. Place both ingredients in a small blender. Add 1 tablespoon of water in the blender, and blend to get a well-combined mixture, then transfer it to a small container. Tip: blend the mask well. To avoid it dripping during application, you can make it thicker by adding more avocado. How to apply the mask. Your face should be clean and dry, without any makeup. Lean over a sink, and gently apply the face mask with a brush, or your fingers. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water, and pat dry with a soft towel. While having the mask on, you can lie down, and place cucumber slices over your eyes. To soothe sunburns, you can apply it before taking bath or shower, but you will need a bigger batch if the affected area is large. Avocado benefits for skin. Avocado is very effective against dry, inflamed, and swollen skin, because it contains vitamin E, which moisturizes the skin, and protects it from the damage caused by free radicals. The fat in avocado keeps the skin well moisturized, and relieves inflammation. Cucumber benefits for skin. Cucumber is one of the most water-rich vegetables, and also contains antioxidants, phytochemicals, and anti-inflammatory nutrients. It tones and brightens the skin, and gives it a cooling relief at the same time. Cucumber deeply hydrates and exfoliates dry skin, and cleanses the pores in oily skin.